Welcome at Casa Lago, this extraordinary setting for our coming Make and Talk, the Biesse Group talk shows. We'll focus on two main subjects. The first one is going to be sustainability and the way sustainability can actually be an advantage for our companies. We'll have as a guest Rossella Sobrero, one of the major experts in Italy about that topic. The second Make and Talk will focus on design, actually on a new way of looking at the product that goes far beyond the performance and the usage of the product itself. It's involving sustainability, innovation, and the community engagement. We'll talk about that with Daniele Lago, CEO and Head of Design at Lago. To discover more, simply register at our Inside Spring Edition. And let's keep in touch.